acquiring a solid grasp of real estate fundamentals empowers both buyers and sellers to outmaneuver competitors in today's fiercely competitive market. Whether one's goal is to secure a residence or invest in a rental property, owning real estate holds the potential to significantly enhance the net worth, provide tax advantages, and even generate supplementary income. Why people own real estate? The motivations behind real estate purchases are diverse, driven by the desire to build long-term wealth, generate additional monthly income, and safeguard against the risks of inflation. Appreciation and property value. Over time, real estate prices have historically shown a tendency to appreciate. By properly maintaining a home and fulfilling property tax and insurance obligations, homeowners can witness a growth in their net worth. According to Zillow, the median value of mid-priced homes has surged by approximately 93% since November 2011, with further projected growth of 13.6% in the coming year. Potential for monthly income. Earning extra income from a rental property doesn't necessitate being a seasoned real estate investor. Simple methods such as renting out a spare bedroom, converting underutilized spaces like basements or attics into studio apartments, or designating a portion of a garage for rentable storage can all generate supplementary cash flow. Leveraging low interest rates. Although mortgage interest rates have been gradually rising, they remain historically low. As reported by Freddie Mac on November 10, 2021, a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage currently offers an interest rate of 2.98%, while a 15-year fixed-rate mortgage presents an interest rate of 2.27%. Borrowers with a favorable credit score and debt-to-income ratio can secure primary residence financing with down payments as low as 3.5% through an FHA loan, and eligible VA loan borrowers can even benefit from a 0% down payment. Potential inflation hedge. Real estate ownership can also serve as a potential hedge against inflation. As construction costs escalate due to increased wages and supply expenses, builders pass on the higher expenses to buyers. Consequently, both new and resale home prices rise. By investing in real estate, individuals can lock in property prices at today's value, shielding themselves from the impact of future inflation and price hikes. 4 different types of real estate. When the term real estate is mentioned, many people immediately associate it with residential properties like single-family homes, townhouses, condos, or apartments. However, it's important to recognize that there are 4 primary types of real estate categories. Residential real estate. This category encompasses various types of residential properties, including single-family homes, condominiums, townhomes, mobile homes, and small multifamily properties with 2-4 units. Commercial real estate. Commercial real estate comprises properties that are utilized for business purposes. Examples include retail shopping centers, office buildings, large apartment complexes, and mixed-use properties that combine residential and commercial spaces. Industrial real estate. Industrial real estate involves properties used for industrial purposes. This category includes storage and distribution centers, refrigerated and freezer facilities, laboratories and research and development properties, warehouses, and factories. Land. The land category encompasses undeveloped or raw land, as well as land utilized for mining, farming, or ranching. It also includes land within home subdivisions with individual lots and even the individual lots themselves. By understanding these distinct real estate classes, individuals can gain a comprehensive perspective on the various opportunities and considerations associated with each type. Tax benefits of real estate. It often comes as a pleasant surprise to many individuals that the tax laws in the United States provide favorable treatment to real estate owners. Tax benefits serve as a compelling reason for numerous people to invest in real estate. Highlighted below are some key tax advantages associated with homeownership, as outlined by the Tax Policy Center. Mortgage interest deduction. Homeowners can deduct the interest paid on mortgage debt up to $750,000. This deduction applies to mortgage loans incurred after December 14, 2017, and is applicable to purchase or improve a primary or secondary residence, including vacation homes. Property tax deduction. By itemizing their tax return, homeowners can deduct the property taxes paid on their homes. The maximum deductible limit for state and local property taxes is $10,000. Capital gains tax exclusion. Profits or capital gains from the sale of a home can be entirely tax-free, subject to certain conditions. For individual taxpayers, the exclusion limit is $250,000, while for joint filers, it is $500,000. Typically, the homeowner must have resided in the property as their primary residence for at least 2 of the previous 5 years. Additionally, they should not have claimed any other capital gains tax exclusion from the sale of a primary residence within the past 2 years. These tax benefits contribute to the overall attractiveness of real estate ownership, offering opportunities for significant savings and financial advantages for homeowners. How to invest in real estate. Individuals acquire real estate for primarily 2 reasons. The first reason is to purchase a home as their primary residence, intended for personal use rather than generating rental income. Common methods of finding homes for sale to live in include engaging a real estate agent who has access to the local multiple listing service, utilizing online listing platforms such as Zillow and Realtor.com, networking through word of mouth by seeking recommendations from family and friends, potentially uncovering off-market listings. The second reason people invest in real estate is to generate ongoing income and long-term profits. There are several avenues for investing in real estate, such as acquiring shares of a private or publicly traded real estate investment trust, participating in a crowdfunded investment to become a partial owner of a large project, such as a new home development or a retail shopping center, purchasing an investment property listed on the Roofstock marketplace, which specializes in connecting buyers with rental properties. These diverse approaches to real estate investment provide individuals with opportunities to grow their wealth and generate steady income over time. Important real estate terms to know. Real estate terminology can often feel like a whole new language, leaving homebuyers with a need to familiarize themselves with unique abbreviations, words, and phrases. For the convenience of first-time homebuyers, Realtor.com has published a comprehensive guide covering numerous real estate terms. Here are 16 of the most common terms to know. Listing. A property actively marketed for sale on platforms like the local multiple listing service, Zillow, or Roofstock. Listing agent. A licensed real estate agent representing the seller of a property. Buyer's agent. A licensed real estate agent representing the buyer of a property. Pre-qualified. An initial estimate of the amount a buyer can borrow from a lender. Pre-approval letter. A written statement from a lender stating the actual amount of money that can be borrowed. Fixed-rate mortgage. A mortgage with an interest rate that remains fixed for the duration of the loan term, typically 30 years or 15 years. Adjustable rate mortgage. A loan with an interest rate that adjusts periodically over the loan term. Offer. A written proposal outlining specific terms and conditions, including the purchase price and closing date, to purchase a property. Counteroffer. A seller's response to a buyer's offer, often leading to negotiation through multiple counteroffers between the buyer and seller. Contract. A written purchase and sale agreement drafted once the buyer and seller have completed the counteroffer process and reached a mutual agreement. Credit. A sum of money provided by the seller to the buyer, such as a credit for buyer closing costs up to $5,000. Home inspection. A professional assessment of the property's condition conducted after the acceptance of the contract. Appraisal. An evaluation ordered by the lender to ensure the property's market value is equal to or exceeds the agreed-upon purchase price. Contingencies. Conditions that must be fulfilled for the transaction to close, such as appraisal and financing contingencies. Title insurance. Protection for the lender and buyer against undiscovered claims on the property, such as unpaid contractors or tax liens. Closing costs. Expenses associated with the closing process, including title and escrow fees, loan costs, prepaid property taxes, insurance, and the real estate commission. By familiarizing themselves with these commonly used real estate terms, homebuyers can navigate the buying process with greater confidence and understanding. Conclusion. Owning real estate presents several potential advantages. For individuals purchasing a home as their primary residence, the property value has the potential to appreciate over the long term, and they may also benefit from tax advantages such as a property tax deduction and capital gains tax exclusion. Moreover, real estate provides an avenue to generate supplementary monthly income. Homeowners can explore options such as renting out spare bedrooms, utilizing garage space for storage rentals, or even leasing out an entire property. Regardless of the purpose behind acquiring real estate, buyers must invest time in conducting thorough research and due diligence before finalizing a purchase. By being well-informed and diligent, individuals can maximize the benefits of real estate ownership and make informed decisions that align with their financial goals and aspirations. Thank you for watching our video on the potential advantages of owning real estate. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you're interested in delving deeper into the realm of real estate and discovering effective strategies to achieve success, we invite you to watch our next video titled Real Estate Debt Strategies: Your Key to Success. This video will provide you with valuable insights and tips on leveraging debt to your advantage in the real estate market. Remember, knowledge is power, and by continuously expanding your understanding of real estate, you can unlock new opportunities for financial growth and prosperity. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.